Hello everyone, myself Ashwara Saxena. Welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub. We are dealing with the Matplotlib demonstration in the Jupyter Notebook series. These different plots which we have seen till now are very helpful when you are working with some machine learning projects. I hope you are a subscriber of FameWorld Educational Hub. If you have already subscribed the channel, thanks for subscribing. And if you are new to this channel, I request you to please subscribe FameWorld Educational Hub and don't forget to press the notification bell. Coming back to my notebook, I'm just going to create a new cell here, and today I'm going to tell you that how you can generate multiple plots on a single plane. So this is known as plot merging in Matplotlib. So I'm going to tell you plot merging. I'm just creating this as in heading. As a heading it is okay, fine, and control enter. So plot merging is basically generating multiple plots on a single plane. So for that I have already imported the required modules in this particular notebook, so I'm not going to import them. I'm just taking the required variables np.arange. So if you have watched the playlist of Python, so the Python basics which I have uploaded, Python programming series, so you will get the concept of NumPy there, so you can just go through it. I'm just taking this arange, which is a function of NumPy, which we have already done in the Python series, so please go and watch it if you haven't watched it. After that I'm taking y1 and y2 for the subplots, as we want to create the merging. So I'm taking one sign here, and y2 I'm taking np.cos, and I'm just passing the value of x here also. Then plt.plot. So this is not basically the subplot, this is the merging, so there is a difference, you will just notice it. So I'm giving it sign and plt dot plot, and here I'm passing the y2 variable. Okay, so label equals to cos I'm taking, sign and cos I have taken. Then plt dot x label, this will be coming as the x label, that I'm taking x axis simply. And plt dot y label, here I'm taking y label, y axis as the label. Okay, after that as I have taken the labels here, you can see, so we have already discussed about it that whenever we are taking the label we have to take the legend. So legend I have taken, then plt dot show. Okay, also the title, I have not taken the title yet, so I'm just going to take the title also, plt dot title. That would be the title of this particular graph. Okay, so the title I am taking sine and cosine functions. Okay, so the thing which we are representing here is basically the sine and the cosine function. So I'm just going to run it. Control enter, use for running. Okay, x it's giving error and it is saying pi is not defined. Okay, pi is not defined. Okay, fine. So actually I do not have to take the pi here, I just have to take np.pi. it was mistyped. Okay, now you can see, so the plot merging, you can see that two different graphs are merged here in a single cell. So this is known as plot merging, generating multiple plots on a single plane. And this is plot merging using Matplotlib, you can see. So as Matplotlib is basically used for creating different graphs, different plots. So I have already uploaded 6 to 7 videos in this particular series, and this is the 8th one. So I hope you have watched those videos. Please subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel, because more videos will be coming soon. Every day I usually upload a single video. So I single video in some different series even. So please subscribe the channel and press the notification bell. Stay tuned, keep supporting, share the video, like the video, and if you are having some query you can comment them to ask. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.